Yo, what is happening, guys? This is Trackmaster back at it again, and today I found a cursed vehicle in Greenville. Like, the most cursed truck in Greenville. It's this right here. So, I think it's the, like, back wheel. Get the silver and the... If I don't hit anything before I get there. Okay. I kind of think it's the wheel going into the bed of the truck. Because I'm about to show you what it does. Okay, it didn't do it that time. Hold on. Legit, if you are driving and you hit someone with your collision on, it freaks out. Like, watch, I'm about to hit the tree. Why is it not doing it? Did they fix this truck already? Bro, did they fix the truck already? Oh, dang it. Didn't mean to hit the pole. I'm gonna try to hit someone. That's a mean thing to do, but you know what? Nope, there it goes. That's what it does, guys. That's what it does. So, that's literally what it does every single time. I think multiple people think it's the back wheel, which I kind of agree with them. Or the exhaust pipes. I mean, look how close they are. Or the codes. There's something with this truck that makes it freak out. Like, watch. I'm gonna hit something again. Hold on. Yep, there we go. And we died again. Dang it. So I guess you had to activate it. Like, someone could hit me right now, and they can make me not good anymore. Oh, I was hoping that we could watch it just zoom away. Hold on. This thing's gonna zoom away, trust me. You'll watch and see what it looks like. Or not. This runs over my body. Alright. Zoom all the way out. Okay, so I guess it's not doing it again this time. Turn on the headlights. I'm gonna try to get some speed. I got a new subscriber, bro. Sweet. Whoever just subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Oh, there it goes. We died again. All right. Wow. I just wanted to hop on here, guys, and show you a very, very, very cursed vehicle. Boop. Okay, well, it's gone. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. And woo, who has this Hellcat? That thing looking nice. Yeah.